You think we're gonna make it? We already did. Look around, man. We have everything we need. All that nonsense we've been through. And we're still here. You don't get worried about what's next? I look forward to it.